Student, I am your science teacher. Welcome you all again in my Google Classroom. Today we will start a new chapter in science, that is human body. Chapter number 2, human body. What we learn in this chapter? We will learn in this chapter first internal organ of human body, second function of various organ system, need for breathing process, cases and the problems of air pollution, reducing air pollutions. Our body is a wonderful machine with many parts. It is work all the time. Even when we are doing nothing, our heart is beating, our blood is flowing, we are breathing, our body is using food we have eaten and is busy in doing many other things. Our body is made up of many parts called organs. Our body is made up of many parts. It's called organs. Each organ has its own work to do. The specific work is known as the function of the organ. Our body can be fit and healthy only if all its organs work properly. Bones and muscles make up the largest part of our body. These lend shape to our body and also help in its movement. The bone is protect the internal organ of our body. The human body is made up of billions cells. Cells means of the cells is the basic unit of our life. Our body is made up of 30 million cells, means to many cells make up of our body. Millions and billions cells means make up our bodies make up many cells. Our cells is 30 trillion cells. Similarly, types of the cells joined together to form a tissue. Tissue is a group of cells. Tissue is a group of cells. A group of tissue is joined together to form organ, and a tissue joined together from an organ is a group of organ joined together to form an organ system, and a group of organ joined together from organ system which perform special functions like eating, playing, breathing, etc. A living being is made up of many different organ systems that work together to perform many functions. Thus, we can say that cells are the building blocks of our body. See the picture, internal organ of human body. Here in a picture of the internal organs of the human body. First, brain. Second, oesophagus, means of the oesophagus, food pipe. When we eat food from our mouth, and it goes through all food pipe through all body parts. Second, lungs. Third, heart. Second, stomach. Third, smaller intestine. And for liver, kidney, large intestine, internal organ of human body. We have learned it in other way. Topic number 1, internal organ of human body. Some part of our body cannot be seen from the outside. They are inside our body. Such part are called internal organs. Internal organs: first, heart. Second, brain. Third, lungs. Fourth, stomach. And fifth, liver. Fifth, liver. And sixth, kidney. First off, we all learned about the heart. The heart is in the chest. It pumps blood all body parts. We can feel our heart beat. Pumps. It means the transporting the blood of our body part. We can also feel our heart beat. We have to put your hand left side, your heart. You will feel some sound, left tap, which you also call heart beat. The heart is pump the blood to all body parts. And next is brain. Brain, you touch your head. What you can feel? You will feel heart, that is your skull. What is skull? It is a hard bones structure, and our brain is inside in our skull, and skull protect the brain. Brain help us to think. It is controlling the center of all body parts. It is the head. It is the head. Brain. A hard part of our body is called brain. Its work. The brain help us to learn. The brain help us to understand. The brain help us to remember. The brain control our feelings. And next is lungs. When we breathe in air with the help of our nose, our chest is formed, and when we exhale in air from nose, our chest is contract. And contract means become smaller, and sperm means become bigger. It lungs like a case, like a case. It is called rib. It is called rib. Lungs are filled bags with help us to breathe. There are two lungs in our body part. Two lungs in our body parts. The lungs help us absorb the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Supply the oxygen to all the part of our body through the blood. And so student, next is stomach. Stomach is like a pouch, okay, and it is look below the chest cavity. All the food that we eat goes to the stomach. It breaks the food. Stomach like a pouch, and all the food goes into the in stomach, and stomach breaks the food in a small pieces. And next is kidney. Kidney help us to purification the blood. Kidney clean up the blood and throw the waste out of the body in the form of urine. Here in a picture of kidney, kidney purify the blood, purification of the blood. And the pair means we have two kidney. So student, learn these internal organs of human body, and make the figure of all the internal organs in your fair notebook, and write all the function of the internal organs in fair notebook. Type of the organs. The main organ system in our body are the digestive system, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nerve system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the reproductive system, and the respiratory system. So student, read this lesson with carefully, and we have to learn in the next topic, digestive system. So student, take care. Thank you.